Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you factorization, which is very important for class 8, 9, 10 as well as upper level. Either you are doing SCF LCM or you are solving simplification, factorization we need. So I took here 4 questions and upcoming videos also related with factorization. So for you I brought total 6 videos about factorization. If you have any confusion in factorization, please comment and tell. Please write your question in comment. I will upload as soon as possible. So let's take a start. I brought here 4 questions. So question is x square plus 3x plus 2 and another is a square plus 12a plus 20. Now I will solve this. Look at here properly. I will factorize this. While multiplying, we have to find out while multiplying 2 and while adding 3. We have to find out 2 factors whose multiplication is 2 and addition is 3. If you don't know how to factorize, look at here once. First of all, we have to write on this 2. 2 into 1, 2. We have to find out the factors. 2 and 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. While multiplying 2, while adding 3, we have to find out 2 factors. And the factors are 2 and 1. So we can write here x square plus, in the place of 3, we can write 2 plus 1, x plus 2. After this, we have to open the bracket x square plus 2 into x, 2x plus 1 into x, x, or you can write 1x plus 2. After this, from first 2 term we have to take common, and the common is x here. So remaining x plus 2, because x into x it will be x square, x into 2 it will be 2x. Plus from here what is the common? You can see here what is the common, x plus 2. Here we cannot take any common. If no common, we have to take 1. So if we take common here 1, remaining is x plus 2. After this again you can see here x plus 2, x plus 2. So we can take x plus 2 common and the remaining is x plus 1, x plus 1. Now next you can see the next question is a square plus 2la plus 20. Now look at here how to factorize this factorization. A square plus 2la plus 20. I told you before also, look at last one, 20. We have to find out 2 factors whose multiplication is 20 and here is plus, so addition is 12. If here is minus, then subtraction is 12. We have to find out like that. Here is plus, so addition is 12. 20. So 20. 2 tens are 20. So when you add this to 10 plus 2, how much we get? 12. So when you multiply it will be 20 and when you add it will be 12. So what we have to write here? A is square plus, in the place of 12 we have to write 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 into 2, 20. When you multiply we get 20 and when you add we get 12. Here is A, so we have to write A plus 20. Now A square plus 10 into A, 10A. Plus 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 2 into a, 2a plus 20. Now from first 2 term we have to take common and the common is a, remaining a plus 10. You can see a already common, so remaining 10, so 10. A into a it will be a square. Plus from this 2 term we have to take common and the common is 2, remaining 2 already common. What is remaining? A plus 2 into which number it will be? 20. Definitely 10. 2 tens are 20. After this a plus 10 we can take a plus 10 common, a plus 10 common and remaining what is here? A. So a plus 2 plus 2. Hope you understand this factorization also. Now look at remaining 2 factorization, which is like this. And the question is p square plus 11p plus 30. Now you can see here last one. We have to find out that type of factors. 2 factors we have to find out whose multiplication is 30 and addition is 11. We have to find out 2 factors whose multiplication is 30 and addition is 11. And the factors are 6 and 5. 6 5s are 30, 6 plus 5, 11. So what we can write here? P is square plus 6 plus 5. P plus 30. We have to, when you multiply this 2 we get 30, when you add this 2 we get 11. 6 5s are 30, 6 plus 5, 11. Now open the bracket, p square plus 6 into p, 6p plus 5 into p, 5p plus 30. Now from first 2 term we have to take common and the common is p and remaining p plus 6. Plus from last 2 term we have to take common. Here is 5p plus 30, so common is 5, remaining p plus 6. 5 6 are 30. After this you can see p plus 6, so we can take p plus 6 common, and the remaining p plus 5, so we can write here p plus 5. So answer is p plus 6, p plus 5. Hope you understand this factorization. Look at last factorization of this video and the coming videos related with factorization. Hope you will get 6-7 videos related with factorization of algebraic expression. If you have any kind of confusion in factorization, please comment and tell me. I will upload as soon as possible of that question. Now look at this one. We have to find out that type of factors whose multiplication is 80. We have to find out first factors whose multiplication is 80 and addition is 19. If you don't know, you have to do like this. 88 you have to take here, and after that we have to add 244s are 88. When you add, we get 19. No, again we have to do 2 22s are 44. 2 2s are 4. 22 plus 4, how much? 26. Not 19. Here is 19. Again we have to do here 2 11s are 22. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are how much? 8. 11 plus 8, how much? 19. So we found two factors whose multiplication is 88 and addition is 19. So factors are 11 and 88. 11 into 88, 11 into 8, 88. 11 plus 8, 19. So like this we have to find out factors by prime factor. Now x square plus, in the place of 19 we have to write 11 plus 8 x plus 88. After this we have to open the bracket. X square plus 11 into x, 11x plus 8x plus 88. Now from first two term we have to take common. Common is x, remaining x plus 11, and at last common is 8, remaining x plus 11. After this again we can take x plus 11 common, remaining x plus 8. Hope you understand today's factorization. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.